Good morning, 7th and 8th graders. Here is another optional Real World Wednesday activity for you to do today. So do you want to go out and build a snowman? Is what we're going to have you do today. First, watch this video on the engineering behind building a snowman. Next, go outside and build it. However you want to build it, go outside, front yard, backyard side, wherever you want to build that snowman, go ahead and do that. Finally, measure it to the nearest ½ centimeter. And then take a picture of you with it and post your picture right there. The person who builds the tallest snowman will receive bonus points on this assignment. Also, if you include a sibling, so I'm going to extend the due time a little bit on this assignment. If you include a sibling in the building of your snow person or snowman, you will get some bonus points there. Or if you have another adult, like a mom, dad, aunt, uncle, grandma, grandpa, whoever you want out there helping you build that snowman, I will give you some bonus points with that. Once again, this is the other option for your Real World Wednesday.